हरियाणा अफ्रीका कॉन्क्लेव का आज दूसरा दिन है और सीएम मनोहर लाल संबोधित कर रहे हैं। सीधे आपको सुनवाते हैं।
The way and the speed which the technology moves is becoming a landmark which was never before recorded in human history. And it is clear that whatever happens will be deep and remarkable. As such, I believe that our discussion in the Haryana Africa Conclave Series 1 will help all of us to create a new association, Haryana Africa Ties, for socio-economic development. An important question will be the types and opportunities of employment. As far as we can see, traditional manufacturing will continue to be a major source of employment for our youth. On the other hand, it will be very important for our human resources to bring changes in their lives by enhancing their skills. Therefore, our approach and policies towards education and skill development will have to change rapidly. School and university curricula have to be designed in such a way that they can prepare our youth for the future. Shri Vishwakarma Skill University, Haryana, close to the boundaries of New Delhi, and Haryana Skill Development Mission has been launched for this purpose. Its aim is to provide relevant technical and vocational skills to our youth. We have to be very careful that the rapid changes coming in the field of technology can at least find a place in the courses at the same place. In this industrial revolution, talent will be more important than capital. High skill but temporary work will be the new phase of employment. Therefore, we need to focus and invest equally in the development of human capital as in the economic development. Proper utilization of new opportunities can, on the one hand, make the job seekers to job makers, job creators. My government's emphasis is on ensuring that women, men, youth, and all sections of society have equal access to affordable and quality technical, vocational trainings, agriculture, and higher education of all government schemes.